Okay, quick video here for you. What I'm showing up on the screen here is a new feature we've got in the label connector for QuickBooks Online edition, where we can do barcoded reports, which also opens up the ability for us to do labels that have multiple items on one label. Okay, so sounds simple, but basically it is rather complex because you have to have full capability to know how many items per page there'll be and divide this up maybe on a 4x6 label or on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. But just showing you an example here of what can be done. This was an example my team put together for me, and then I just kind of added some things like a logo and increased just some of the look and feel of it here. But basically, this is just one possible layout here, but you can have many layouts. We can barcode things in the report. This can be on a label or on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. You see we have sections here where you can have the customer's address up top, the order number, things like that. So we can arrange these columns, include certain columns that you want. So I'll just work my way back to where this originates from now in the software. So if you go back into the designer, okay, we have a new area now in the designer where when you normally come in, you would have been in this mode to design labels, but if you go into the report designer, and we're going to change the way this control works here, but basically you can open up the example I've made here that I have in my list, and we're going to be uploading all of these into our library so that you can have some good examples to kind of get you started. But you see we have a full design capability here for doing reports. So there's like a detailed section, and that's where the data that will repeat down the page would go, and then we have like a header section where you would put the data elements that you don't want to repeat over and over, like I put the customer's address at the top and the order number, things like that. So we'll be doing more videos later on how to use this report designer, but we hope to have some good examples up there for you to kind of jumpstart you on it, so you can just kind of start with our examples and modify it, or just contact us and see if a particular requirement you have is something that we can satisfy with the label connector for QuickBooks Online. So just thought I'd let you know about our new feature for the report designer. And again, this can be used for labels that need multiple items on one label, like a lot of people like a summary label, or it can be for sheets if you need like a barcoded packing slip or some kind of barcoded sheet for you to use internally, or if a customer needs something like that. Reach out to AccuWare. Our number's right up here within the product. You can come in anytime. I'll post this video here in the tutorials section as well, so you can look at this again. But I just thought I'd get this out to you folks so you could know that this feature has been released. And we're going to continue to enhance this. If we get some lots of interest in it, we'll probably be adding more and more capability. Thanks.